ngipheke ngoba futhi indaba uma usungasekho emhlabeni, the stuff that starts to come out, it's just like, hayibo guys, crazy things like that. UMabonga-ke lo nangu esefika e-restaurant le eSandton, esexabana nabantu, esekhipha ibhamu, ehamba nama-security akhe. His funeral has actually been postponed after Emmy Thompson. Ukhumbula Emmy Thompson, umngani kaSlee, on Real Housewives of Durban. Oyeshade noMabonga-ke sisters. Yakhumbula iy'tori zakhona zokuhijackwa kanjani. I-story nje of a story. Ufile ukuthi hayibo, this is like inganekwane of some sort, you know. So u-Amy-ke bathi uvele wafika namaphepha omshado. Wathi sisashadile nalo bhuti. Meaning decide there's nothing that you can do unless you decide. I mean, I'm the one that actually must decide what must happen ngalo mngcwabo. So ngicela ningisizeni, yeka ngicima yonke into. Yeka konke ebenizama ukwenza ngoba le kahle indoda yami. It's like, what? Wow. Ngoba phela ngithi thina sazulonda ilandani. I'm just like, wow. Izinto guys, they start to unfold. Guys, mina nginomalume okwafika ingane 11 children were at the funeral. I was just like, siqhamukaphi? Like ukuba vele kuba too much. I'm just like, no, years ago. Ngitshela ngestory sa almost 25 years ago. I-shock. I'm like, how angeke i-shock engaka? Baqhamukaphi manje lezi ngane 11. Thina mhlawumbe sasazi 3. I'm just like, I'm done, bye. Like ukubona ezinye izitori, you just feel like hawu angeke sifike nini. So ke uMabonga-ke wahamba kanjalo-ke in the shootout yase-Sandton at the restaurant. Umngcwabo kusuhlehliselwe mhlambe-ke we just thinking this weekend, this coming weekend, 21st, 22nd. I'm sure that's when it's gonna happen. Ngoba u-Emmy was like, no, meaning decide now amaphepha omshado. I'm actually still married to the guy. Wow. Guys, amanye ama-dynamics akweminye imizi have nothing really to do with us. Nangu ugogo Sikhothini etshela uMondi i-ex-husband yakhe ukuthi I'm actually getting married. Mina ngisekamereni as it is now. Umbhalela ku-WhatsApp yamtshela ukuthi no, I'm getting married. As it is now njengoba ngihleli ekamereni baya busy e-sitting room nama-lobolo negotiations ami. Othi umuntu, what? Khulumani? Like kubona? Othi omunye yibo ngiyashada. Ukubona? But I guess that's how they speak with each other. Mhlambe-ke that's the only indlela ugogo Sikhothini abefila ukuthi I've told you at least, but I was decent enough to tell you. Just accept and move on. Omunye uMondi was like, I know, it's fine. All the best, you know. Meet your life and getting married and all of that. I'm just like, amanye ama-dynamics guys la ngaphandle aweminye imizi akufanele swangene. You don't know how people do their things. I think this is the only way. But I feel ukuthi she was decent, guys, by telling him nokuthi ubone ku-social media ukuthi umuntu uyashada, like how lo muntu kangishadele naye. But at the same time, 40, if we are not together, guys, I don't really have to explain myself to you. It's just my thing. Guys, wozani plus Johannesburg is so cold and it's raining like we've never seen. Izindaba ziningi. You remember the story lesengizenzele earlier on about the SASSA officials, but how the story actually started, how they were actually caught, these people that are working and stealing. Why you get food they are working? Because they are fraudsters, labantu bantshontsha imali yaseSASSA, which is wrong. So what happened was that they were caught in Feb, 4 of them, and then they were supposed to get bail and all of that. And then it turns out, no, actually, there's more people. So they were looking for the 4, and it's on Friday the 14th when they went to the Johannesburg office to look for the manager. He was on leave. Actually, about 3 of them were actually on leave. And then, but you know, what we'll do is that we're just going to go to his house. So I was still saying how it started was in Feb when they arrested the 4. The 4 were arrested in a Soweto office, right? Obviously, I mean, finally keep her by and get yay, keep her, bonk. And then they started saying, I know, bakona namangi, in. How they were caught, the other ones? babanjwa phi bayothenga ngama-SASSA khadi umgunyathi abawafrudile, including a Somalian national. Kusho ukuthi basebenzisana, then kusho ukuthi baningi. Like I'm saying ukuthi, although this policeman who was talking about it, the spokesperson there was like, no, it's 11 of them. No, actually, in fact, there could be more, because these ones, about 4, they were caught with a lot of cards. Guys, ubuqhophololo abubhadali, you will pay. And the first thing you'll be like, oh my gosh, ngifike nini kwakumnandi angithi cut, you were trying the money, like I said on the other video. But uzobanjwa. Doesn't they don't end well, eh? They don't end well. Hleze kumnandi, but buka manje akusahlekisi. Bathi the way it's so bad ne in other locations like Eguruleni, Albertine, also, Binoni, some of them who were like, hey, now we are just gonna hand ourselves over. We are guilty. Guys, it's a syndicate, a crazy one, 260 million worth of SASSA cards, of course, basically among people abangapili busy stealing people's identities, crazy things like that. Tabanga, on that first arrest of the 4 people that I'm saying that were asking for bail, the first ones that actually arrested in Feb, batshela i-Shoprite, because i-Shoprite was like, hayi ngeke amakhadi amaningi kangaka nibhadala nibhadala, like what's going on here. Babiza amaphoyisa athi I know it's fine, kwathiwa where are the other accomplices, kwathiwa noma baphandle abantu esibasebenzelayo thina we just do the cards, sithenge izinto eziyithengayo. Mebefika ngaphandle umuntu uphethe almost 150 cards ze-SASSA, 8 FNB cards, Time Bank, and Time Bank, and then 5 passports. Makuthiwa ilona-ke angithi ubhuti lo wase Ethiopia. It's actually not Somalian, it was Ethiopian man uyena ubaphethe. Obviously naye uyithola somewhere else. When I say somewhere else, it's from people that work for SASSA. Guys, kodwa ubuqhophololo obukhohlakale kangaka usathana ongaka emhlabeni ngoba nje ungafuni ukuyosebenza, just go to work. Hayi, cabanga phela u-Ethiopian man was found with an unlicensed firearm aboshwa ke nje vele yena ke nazo zonke lezi zinto ezifraud ayiphethe emotweni. Ulinde laba abangaphansi abathenga, Shoprite. So le 4 ke mayiboshwa ke, they added another 54 counts. Guys, 54 counts including things like creating of profiles, in business creating nama-profiles abantu abanga-exist, ama-ghost in business, le mali ye-SASSA. It's a lot.